Back to my channel. You already know who this is, and yes, this video is long overdue. I can explain, and I came with a peace offering, guys. So for those who just stumbled across this for the very first time, thank you for watching in advance. For my notification squad, don't kill me, what it do, y'all? So with all that being said, we're gonna get right to it. I'm introducing y'all to a new box, and it is from Ricky's Cult Crushes. Yes, and Ricky's is a store based in New York City, my stomping grounds, of course, and they have nail care, hair care, skin care, makeup, and a while ago they launched their makeup subscription box, and for $11 you can snag yourself one of these. So it's called Cold Crushes. I'll put a link to Ricky's Cold Crushes in the description down below. You already know how we do, so let's get into the unboxing. Okay, now the first thing in the box, well, it first comes with this card, of course, and it gives you it basically lists everything in here. Now, this particular box this month was only $4, but you usually get about $4 or $5. $11 is not bad, and like a couple of the items are way over the box, like the price of the box, so you're pretty much good. Now, from Nail Makeup, we have the Ghost Style Stiletto Nails. Yes, this is the color we received. I'm sure somebody got a different color, and it's professional manicures that are reusable. So you already know press-ons. Unfortunately for me, I'm not in need of them because I get my nails done now. So, and they're mine. So these would be too short for me anyway. So I'll probably give these away. We'll see. Next, we have from Moonlit Skincare, we have the Midnight Shift Overnight Hydrating Oil. It's a very small sample, but it's cool. Just to try it out. Prime time for midnight shift application. Wash your face, throw it on there, go to sleep, wake up refreshed. Yay. Okay, I'm definitely going to try this out. Next we have, and this was a full size, y'all. This is a Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Towelette, and this has their white cypress oil. I haven't tried this one yet. I did try the regular one. There's 30 in here, and it's for all skin types. It's very natural. For those who know about Burt's Bees, I praised them in the past, and I'm gonna keep praising them. I'm gonna give a quick update on my Instagram. Link is down there too. So that's one full size, along with the nails. Now the piece de resistance, because this box is officially empty. Y'all, people have been ranting and raving about this palette. It's pretty dope. It was either this one or another palette that they had as an alternative because they ran out. It is by Pinky Rose Cosmetics, their Bright Lights. Yes, I am so hyped for this palette. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. There's a little fallout from the shipping. Look at this. Isn't this amazing, guys? And the lighting doesn't do it justice. And I took the pleasure of swiping Boom, Dreamsicle, and my favorite of this entire palette, Cupcake. And as you can see, this is the Boom. It's like a violet, like a purplish hue, and it's a shimmer. This one is Creamsicle Orange, and it's a matte. It's kind of too chalky for me, and I'm not a big fan of orange. However, if you blend it with the right colors, you'll be fine. Now, this little shiny puppy right here, because I'm going to bring it closer to show you the exact pickup of this glittery. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? This one is the Cupcake. This one by far is my favorite. But I'm going to show y'all right now. I am going to swipe Tickle for you guys. This is the pickup. Unfortunately, my nail caught a little chunk of it. The fallout is very minimum. And I'm going to just drag. Ooh. I'm just going to drag it across for you guys. And this is the Tickle. So your Cupcake, your Tickle. This pink is very pretty. I'm not a huge pink fan, but I'm going to play with it. I love it. And if you're a pink fan, this is right up your alley. Especially if you use the Becky with it. you'll be good to go. Other than that, this box is done. Thank you all. And yes, this is a very short video. It's been a long time coming, I know. Oh, is it worth the $11? Absolutely, Ricky's is worth the $11. Will I keep this subscription? Of course I will keep this subscription, because who is going to get a $24 palette in an $11 box? It's basically a steal. It's worth trying once. Once again, I'm going to put the link in the description below. And before I go, BeautyCon New York City is going to be April 21st to the 22nd. I am definitely attending. I'm going to be there. So if in the event anybody's going to be in the New York area, you have tickets to BeautyCon. No, I'm not going to be on a panel. No, I'm not going to be one of the go-to folks there. I'm just going as a fan. I go to BeautyCon every year. If you come across me, I don't bite. I really don't. And I'm very friendly. It's all good. Just don't scare me, because that's not cool. I don't like being startled. So on that note, if you're going to be at BeautyCon, I'll be there both days actually. And I'm glad I got the tickets before they were sold out. If in the event y'all went to IMAX, or if y'all going there, just sound off in the comments down below. If you want to see any other subscription boxes, again, just sound off down below. And just follow me on Instagram, because I'm going to do a full swatch of this palette soon, probably later on tonight, because hopefully once I edit and everything, you already know how it goes. Until then, pray, slay, and repeat. I'm off this. Stay blessed, stay productive, and ciao.
So tell me you got it right now.